Okay, so today you're going to learn about paper money, and paper money is we've already talked about the first one, which is the dollar bill. And if you look at it closely, you'll see that we have our first president, George Washington, on the $1 bill. On the $5 bill, you look closely, we have the great Abraham Lincoln. We learned about him when we were learning about the Civil War and how he freed the slaves, remember? Well, he's on the cover, he's on the front of the $5 bill, and you can tell by looking in the corners or the vertexes that there are 5, that the value of that is 5. So because the value of that is 5, of this bill is 5, if you wanted to have the same amount by using the dollar bills, you'd need $5, 5 $1 bills to equal one $5 bill, right? And the same would go for the $10 bill. The $10 bill has Alexander Hamilton, and on the vertexes or the corners of that bill, there's a 10. So that tells you that's worth, the value of that bill is $10. And in order to get the same amount of dollars, the value of dollars to one $10 bill, you'd have to have 10 of the ones to equal one $10 bill, right? Okay, so now we're going to go to the $20 bill, and we have Andrew Jackson on the $20 bill, and on the corners are the vertexes, except for one there. You don't see it on the last corner there. You have the number 20, but you see it that it is written. The words are written $20 on that bill, and then and the same thing goes for that. You need $21 bills to equal one $20 bill. And the $50 bill has Ulysses S. Grant on the cover. And again, this one has the number 50 written in every corner, right? And then at last, you have the $100 bill. And the $100 bill has Benjamin Franklin. And again, in every corner, every vertex, you have a number 100. So that's basically, you have to learn that if you have a big number like 100, each of these could be equal to that. Like for example, 5 $20 bills equals one $100 bill. All right, because if you add 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20, you're going to equal 100, right? So anyway, so first, what is the total amount shown in the display? First, you have find the value. You have $1 plus $5, and look at the symbol for dollars, plus $10 plus $20 plus $50 plus $100. So you have to add them to find what the total amount is. 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10, 5 plus 1, and then you get that. You add it all together, and you're going to get 186. That's the total amount of that bank display. And that is page, what's the page on here? I can't find the page. Page 525. Okay. On this side, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to write the number. So, for example, on top here, you can write 10. Then here, you're going to write, can't see closely, 20 and 1. And then you add them together and find the total amounts. Okay? Pretty easy. All right.